Hello. Today, we'll walk through how to add additional AI minutes to your existing account. First, open a new page and locate where it displays the show's plan details. Next, find the upgrade plan and click on it. This will redirect you to the pricing page. Here, if you're a pro user, you'll see your options clearly laid out. To top up your AI minutes, click on the Top Up Minutes option. A new selection will appear where you can choose the number of extra minutes you need. Adjust the amount according to your needs. I'll go ahead and add one more minute, then click on the Purchase option. This action will take you to the payment flow. Here you'll see your existing card details. A confirmation code will be sent to your registered phone number along with the pricing details, showing the total cost for the additional minutes. Once you enter the code, the minutes will be automatically added to your account. And that's it. You can easily top up your AI minutes just like this. Thank you for watching.